Are you planning to install kitchen cabinets? Installing RTA kitchen cabinets is a cost-effective way to give your kitchen a fresh, updated look. Well, you have come to the right place. Learn how to install kitchen cabinets in some easy steps with BuildMyPlace. Let's start with the measurements first. Take a measuring tape and measure the distance from the ceiling to the floor. Now measure the width of the kitchen. Go from one end of the wall to the opposite end. At last, you need to measure the depth of your kitchen. This is the entrance of the kitchen from all the way back. Another measurement you need to consider is the distance from the wall end to the window and door. After all, you don't want to block the opening. Do not forget to measure electric outlets and plumbing lines. Carefully note these measurements. Now you can begin with the installation using any RTA cabinets of your choice. You will find the ready-to-assemble cabinets in a dismantled form. Don't hesitate to put it together. It's really easy, just keep all the pieces in front of you and join them individually. Apply glue to the dovetail joints and fix the grooves together. Use a rubber hammer to pat the joints to stick them together gently. Keep it aside until the glue dries completely. Let's move on to the installation part. Gather all the necessary materials like RTA kitchen cabinets, measuring tape, level, stud finder, drill, screws, cabinet mounting rails, shims, finish nails, and a hammer. Before you begin, make sure you have planned the layout of your kitchen and have a sufficient number of cabinets in the right size. Use a stud finder to locate the studs on the wall where you plan to hang the cabinets. Mark the location of each stud with a pencil. Install the cabinet mounting rails along the marked studs. These rails will support the weight of the cabinets. Use shims to level the rails if necessary. Start with the upper cabinets. Lift the cabinet into place on the mounting rail and use screws to attach it to the rail. Use a level to ensure the cabinet is level. If you have multiple upper cabinets, connect them together using the pre-drilled holes in the sides of the cabinets. Then, use screws to secure the cabinets together. Install the lower cabinets in the same way as the upper cabinets. Use shims to level the cabinets if necessary. Secure the cabinets to the wall studs using screws. Ensure the screws are long enough to reach the studs, but not so long as they penetrate through the wall. Once all the cabinets are installed, use finish nails to attach any trim or molding to the cabinets. Finally, install any hardware or doors to complete the installation. And there you have it. Your RTA kitchen cabinets are now installed and ready to use. Hope you will find the video helpful. For more information like that, stay tuned with BuildMyPlace.